Cô ơi, cho con một ly nước mía.
Uống đây thì mang về bé.
Dạ đem về. Cô cho vô đây cho con nha. Này ngoài luôn.
Con muốn cà phê nó bay ở Long Trung, nó bay sát đầu luôn.
Bốt qua cái vụ này qua có cây số thôi.
Nhiêu tiền vậy con?
7.000 rồi.
Con cảm ơn cô. Các bạn ơi, I'm back to my office with my nước mía, sugarcane juice. Ngon lắm ha? Very delicious. Let's go through the dialogue between me and the sugarcane juice lady, line by line, okay? Now, first of all, by appearance, by the look, she's probably around my mom's age, so I call her cô and address myself as con, like a child to her. Alright, now first I say, cô ơi, cho con một ly nước mía. Okay, so this is the fixed expression when you want to order something. You say, give me something. Okay, now I know it may sound not very polite to you, but this is how we say it in Vietnamese and it sounds totally fine. So, give me something, right? So, in this case, cho con một ly, a glass or a cup or a mug, nước mía. Okay? And then the next line, she says, uống đây hay mang về, bé? Okay, uống, drink, đây or ở đây, here. Hay or mang về, take away. Bé, it's like little girl, like a 30-year-old little girl. The word take away is made up of two words, mang and về, southern accent for về, right? Okay, mang is like carry or bring, and về is like go home, return. So bring back to your home, something like that, take away. Okay, so she say, uống đây hay mang về, bé? And this is a very common and pretty fixed phrase to ask, you drink here, you have it here, or you want to take away, right? Okay, the next line, I say, dạ, polite, right? Being polite. Đem về. Okay, đem về and mang về are basically the same, right? It's just my personal choice of using đem về. Same. You can use whatever you want. Okay? And then if you bring your own bottle with you, then you can ask her to not waste another plastic cup, right? By saying, cô cho vô đây cho con nha. Okay, so cô is you, cho vô đây, put in here, right? And then cho con, for me, nha, like please. Okay, very interesting fact. Cho is such a versatile word. In the first sentence, it can be like give, right? Like give me a glass of sugarcane juice. And here, the first cho means to put. So you say cho vô, it's like put in or put into. Okay? And then the third one, say, the second in this sentence, but the third one in the whole dialogue, right? Cho con is like for me. So here it means for. So yeah, very versatile. And then the last thing is like a soft request particle. So if you ask somebody to do something and you want to soften it, you want to make a request but soft, right? You say nha, like please in English. So the whole thing again. Cô cho vô đây cho con nha. Alright. And then I asked her how much is it. I said, nhiêu tiền vậy cô? Nhiêu tiền vậy cô? Okay, now nhiêu is bao nhiêu for short, right? Native speakers do this all the time. And then tiền, money. Vậy is a question particle. So whenever you ask a question, you can stick vậy at the end of your question, and it will sound natural. Okay. If you listen again, you will probably notice that I say yeah with a very weakened vowel. So I didn't really say like vậy, but something like yeah, very weakened. And then cô like miss or auntie, and she say 7.000, right? And then I say thank you, and I left. All right, now let's listen again, this time with subtitles, so you can follow easier and see the word better, right? Cô ơi, cho con một ly nước mía.
Uống đi mang về bé.
Dạ, đem về. Cô cho vô đây cho con nha. Này ngoài luôn.
Cô muốn cà phê nó bay ở Quang Trung, nó bay sát đầu luôn.
Lắm rồi ba. Bố qua cái vụ này qua có cây số thôi.
Nhiêu tiền vậy con?
7.000.
Con cảm ơn cô. Okay, I hope this lesson is helpful for you, and I'll see you next time.